Hello guys, I am Gagana, the student of Namma Guru Academy. Now I am going to explain our easiest subject, mathematics, and the topic is middle term splitting. Let's go through one example. A square minus 11s plus 24. First we should multiply first and last term. It will become 24 a square. Write these factors. 1 24s are, 2 12s are, 3 8s are. First we should check this. If we add this, it will become 25. And if we subtract, it will become 23. So it can't be taken. And next, if we add these two, it will become 14. And if we subtract, it will become 10. So it also can't be taken. And if we add this, it will become 11. So we can take this, but we want here minus 11. So we should put minus 3, minus 8. So a square minus 3s minus 8s plus 24. We should write these factors. A square means s into s. 3s means 3 into s. 8s means 8 into s. And 24 it means 8 into 3. We have to make 37. We should take common. Here s is common. We should write it outside, and in bracket remaining we should write s minus 3. And next, here 8 is common. Remaining we should write in bracket s minus 3. S minus 3 1, and the outside the bracket numbers can be written as s minus 8. I think you have understood. For more examples, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.